No be small wahala dey ground o, my correct people. The apex Igbo socio-political group wey everybody know as Ohaneze Igbo, they don come outside now, dey yarn dey give the general public say they dey support Nnamdi Kanu o, as Nnamdi Kanu dey seek out of court settlement for the terrorism charges wey the federal government dem plaster against am. Meanwhile, my correct people, the other information wey I bring up for you wey go still shock you na one Abuja lawyer wey don drag our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu to court for appointing Olukoyede as the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. No be small koko, my correct people. One Abuja-based legal practitioner like that, he don file a suit against the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu over the man appointment of Ola Olukoyede as the EFCC chairperson. You know say some people get mind sha for inside our country Nigeria, they no fear o, whether they be lawyer na make him feel as if he get the power to do something like that. But my correct person, I will give you the details of this informate. Before I proceed further, I want first use 2 seconds to welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know say now we dey give on ogbonge and legitimate informate on the things and things wey happen for inside our country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive information, feel free make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, you go to get the update and you go to get them sharp. So without wasting much of your time, make I dive into the matter properly. The tori be say, as counsels to Nnamdi Kanu, wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, don explore other options outside the court, as in to release Nnamdi Kanu, they gats think outside the box. So they can't invoke Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act and Section 174 of the 1999 Constitution. And Section 17, my correct people, it provide room for reconciliation and facilitation of amicable settlements in criminal and civil matters. That is to say, any matter wey concern criminal or civil something. As far as Section 17 is concerned, reconciliation go come board and settlement go still come board. So now, my correct people, the apex Igbo socio-political group wey be Ohaneze Igbo, they don welcome Nnamdi Kanu proposal for out of court settlement, and the group wey be Ohaneze Igbo, they still dey yarn dey give the Biafran leaders sake of wetin Nnamdi Kanu talk, sake of the call wey Nnamdi Kanu make for inside courtroom for violence and insecurity to end for inside southeast geopolitical zone of the country Nigeria. Now, for inside one interview with story people for inside Anambra on Wednesday, the deputy vice president wey be Ohaneze Igbo, his name na Chief Vincent Aham, he con dey express optimism, as in dey show say in dey hopeful say the IPOB leader wey be Nnamdi Kanu, they go release am if negotiation start. And he con dey yarn say the dialogue now wey they will get with the federal government because of this issue, e don too take. They supposed to don get the dialogue since. According to how he tell yarn am for the interview, he say na welcome development to say the call by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to seek negotiation with the federal government. Elder statesmen like the late former aviation minister wey be Mbazulike Amechi and several others, they don try to make sure say they get political solution and negotiation over the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu during the last administration of Muhammadu Buhari. But despite all their efforts, Buhari no gree release Nnamdi Kanu till he comot for office. Now, even despite the fact say the law court of the land don set Nnamdi Kanu free, but they still dey watch and expect say the federal government they go release Nnamdi Kanu so that the insecurity go end for inside the region. And he constantly yarn for inside the interview say na their belief say the release of Nnamdi Kanu go a long way to calm down the tension wey dey for inside southeast, wey dey triggered by insecurity and RIPs them. Even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself don talk am times without number, say make the insecurity and the violence stop for inside the region. Say the IPOB no be violence platform but na peaceful family. He say make President Bola Ahmed Tinubu listen to the call by the people and make him do the needful by releasing the young man wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So that's my correct people. Now how the deputy vice president of Ohaneze Igbo dey yarn for inside the interview we in get with Tori people. And no be lie, you my correct person. The Ohaneze Igbo, as a matter of fact, the whole of southeast region omo they just dey pray make dem release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the day wey they go finally release Nnamdi Kanu, e go be like Christmas for them, because the kind jubilation wey go dey for inside the southeast, even the biggest mathematician no go fit measure am. But anyhow you reason this informate, my correct people, or you get your own contribution about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. So on to the next informate wey I bring come for you, my correct people. The tori be say one federal high court wey dey for inside Abuja on Wednesday dem dismiss one suit, and this suit dey seek the sack of Oga Ola Olukoyede as the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey be EFCC. Justice Obiora Egwatu for inside one judgment na im dismiss the suit because the applicant dey lack locus standi. That means the applicant dey lack legal right to institute the case. Now, according to information we gather from reports from the News Agency of Nigeria, one Abuja-based legal practitioner, his name na Victor Opatola, na him filed the suit against our Presido, wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, sake of our Presido appointment of Olukoyede as EFCC chairman. Now, make I yarn you why this practitioner, wey be Victor, him file this suit. So say him dey challenge the validity of the appointment because Olukoyede now, wey be the current chairman of EFCC, he no meet the years of service wey dey required by law for office of the chairman of the anti-graft agency. So now he can list the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as first respondent, then he can list the National Assembly as second respondent, then the Attorney General of the Federation as third respondent, then he can list Ola Olukoyede as fourth respondent for inside his suit wey mark HC/ABJ/CS/1403/2023. Now, however, my correct people, the respondents they come pray give the court to dismiss the suit for lacking merit. But the current chairman of the EFCC, wey be Ola Olukoyede, he come later dey claim say him dey qualified to occupy the office of EFCC chairman. He say he don serve as secretary of the commission, and according to him, he say that na grade level 17 position, and e dey higher than the rank of an assistant commissioner of police, wey be say their grade level position na 14. So he come dey ask the court say make dem dismiss the suit. So after listening to all the parties now wey dey for inside the suit, Justice Egwatu come adjourn until today for judgment. Then the practitioner wey be Victor, he come still come aside again. He come raise for determination whether by the true construction and interpretation of section 2(1)(a) of the EFCC Act 2004, whether Olukoyede wey no fulfill the conditions of the act, whether in demand still dey valid appointed as the EFCC chairman. And he constantly asks the court to determine whether by true construction and interpretation of section 2(1)(a) of the EFCC Act 2004, whether the person appointed to the office of the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission can be said to be above the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police, or in the equivalent, as in other in the equal. No be small thing, my correct people. That na the information wey as make I share give all of una, my correct people. Anyhow it be you for body, or any contribution wey you get about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, wey dey like give una ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try to subscribe and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we bring the news they come, then you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another update for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.